Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So it is the final installment of Vlogmas. It is Christmas Eve and we are at my mom's house. And we're gonna kick things off by baking a pie and a cake because I said I would make dessert, so let's go do that.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh,
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun.
Are we recording? Now we are. Hey guys, so Kristen is here.
Hi.
And we now have friendship bracelets! Yay! And Kristen also brought me these amazing pajamas that say, wait. Focus. Can you touch a screen? It'll focus if you touch the thingy. It says Meowie Cat Mess. I'm so excited to wear these. Another close-up of the bracelet.
Here.
Okay, I'll put mine in too. Hold on. Look, focus. Okay, teamwork. This is not working a lot. How do we? Well, why don't we do this? What are we doing? Why do we have to hold them up so high? Look at that. Friends forever.
Cute.
Teamwork. Anyway, so I'm almost done baking all the things I said I was going to bake. So we're going to go wrap that up. But before that, I'm going to have a sandwich because I'm really hungry. So see you guys later.
Throughout the day, I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need.
All right, so I am finally done baking. Whew. Anyway, now I gotta wash my face, put a little makeup on, and look nicer than I do right now. So I have lipstick on my shirt, but other than that, I am looking better. I will go find some stain remover, and the shirt will be fine. Anyway, so I am ready to go downstairs and hang out with everyone, finally.
It's you, make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Dude, I look like a cartoon character.
Yeah, good morning guys, and a Merry Christmas. And let's see, what are we doing today? We are going to Joe's parents' house at some point, but first, we're having breakfast.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Hey guys, so we are at Joe's parents' house. I'm gonna be real, I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film here, but I will film what I can. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you probably later this evening.
Imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel at
who
home.
knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything. Lazy Sunday morning.